You gotta live life like you love to give, and you'll get the life you love to live. Follow your dreams and be unique. You gotta be confident, don't be shy.
Hey you, I'm Mr. Shy Guy, and I have a huge collection of magical shoes that I call power shoes. And each pair of my power shoes possess a unique power hidden within the soles of the shoe. And every time I put on a pair of power shoes, then activate them with a special power charm, the shoes energize me with their magical powers, giving me the abilities to take on anything. For my next few episodes, I'm creating special Halloween-inspired power shoes with all kind of spooky, ooky power themes. In this episode, I'm going to show you how I made these 8-legged and fanged spooky spider power shoes, and show you how I made them step by step, turning them from these to these. Ooh, so scary. Welcome to my show, Mr. Shy Guy's Power Shoes Halloween Edition. Spiders can be super creepy and scary, but some of them are actually really cute and funny looking too. Like, look at this somewhat adorable big-eyed jumping spider. Wouldn't it be awesome to have spider powers just like Spider-Man? But this is Halloween, so we need a bit more scary than Spidey. These high tops are pretty awesome and already resemble a black widow spider, with the pops red looking just like their hourglass red belly. But to really make it look like a venomous spider, let's add that hourglass shape to the back of the shoe. The spider uses this red to warn other creatures that they are not to be messed with. I'm making the hourglass with red glitter, so it will definitely not be missed by anyone. There, the iconic hourglass is attached. Next, these spider shoes need multiple eyes. Spider eyes are faceted, so they can see in many directions at one time. So I found these iridescent rhinestones that look just like real spider eyes. Plus, spiders can have up to 8 eyes, but we're only going to add 4 to each of these shoes. It's like the spider is looking right back at you, ready to bite. Ooh, they're sparkly and spooky. All spiders need to have 2 giant fangs to bite their victims with. Let's add them to the front of the shoe. Careful, don't get bitten, because they're venomous. Let's do the other shoe. First the eyes. And then the fangs. So scary. Last, all spiders have 8 legs, so we need to add some to these shoes so they look like a real spider. I'm going to use these fuzzy black pipe cleaners as spider legs. I cut the pipe cleaners to give the legs different lengths. Let's add the legs to the laces and have them stick out of the shoe. I'm going to bend them a bit so they look like jointed legs. Ooh, look, now it looks just like a spider. And lastly, let's add the power charms that activate the spider shoes powers. The power charms for these shoes are scary spiders with a red crystal belly. I'll attach the spider power charms to the laces right in the middle of the spider's legs. And both shoes need a power charm to balance out the shoe's powers. There, the power charms have activated the scary spider shoes powers. These spooky spider shoes are sure to scare anyone who gets too close to them this Halloween. Well, thanks for joining me today on Mr. Shy Guy's Power Shoes Halloween Edition. I have a few more spooky and scary Halloween-themed power shoes to show you in my upcoming videos. Plus, make sure to check out the rest of my Power Shoes videos. I'm Mr. Shy Guy, and I will see you next time. And until then, remember, don't be shy.
Gotta be confident.